Pulsefusion was founded in 2003, and since then, we've expanded out of Singapore into Indonesia, and now we are serving more than 100 active clients in Asia, Europe, and America. Our journey, however, has not been easy. Hit by the recession in 2007 and 2009, we survived by giving out flyers door to door, offering IT services to homes. And COVID in 2020 really brought forward a new challenge we had not anticipated. A sudden high demand for IT services, but we didn't have the manpower to supplement the demand. It was times like this that really brought to light that as business owners, sometimes we are guilty of being complacent or even forgetting about upgrading ourselves because we are constantly firefighting every day. When I was first introduced to BCG and attended its Digital Growth and Innovation course briefing, the topics covered were very much aligned to Pulsefusion's aims and objectives for 2023. I believe the program was able to guide me in creating a plan to grow our business by repositioning the company with new offerings to better assist our growing clients. With the coach's insight, I was able to consider different perspectives when crafting an impactful solution. What I found most useful were the 3 systematic problem-solving frameworks, namely the SCQ, Deconstraint, and Options Assessment frameworks, all of which I've applied and shared with my team. They are useful in solving high-level problems internally and with clients. Applying the toolkits from the course directly, I was able to craft a solution to expand my company, projecting a minimum of 4 times the growth in 3 years during our Innovation Sprint project. Aside from being the perfect experiential learning ground for businesses, I had the opportunity to meet other amazing business owners as well, which was enlightening. The Digital Growth and Innovation course remains one of the most useful courses I've attended, and I intend to send all of my staff, particularly the Business and Data Analytics course, to support our new project in terms of maximizing the datasets we have to refine our subscription plans further. With the knowledge I've gained and the relationships that I've built during my time here, I've never been more excited for what's to come for Pulsefusion as we grow to greater heights.